The 1300-meter race is on the way. Conquistador draws for your lead. Bringer Up Rain moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Prince Isaiah racing in third by the rail. Blue Material running alongside Princess Rock. Yes, Commander and Naga is bringing up the rear, heading towards the half mile. Bringer Up Rain, a solo leader, shot clear by about 6 lengths. Conquistador in second, racing in third, Prince Isaiah. Princess Rock racing in fourth, followed by Blue Material. Yes, Commander and Naga is still in behind them as they race towards the 450. Bringer Up Rain without pressure in front, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Prince Isaiah now catching the second spot, racing in third, Conquistador. Princess Rock then by the rail, Blue Material. Yes, Commander and Naga, and out of stretch they come. Bringer Up Rain, Prince Isaiah is on the outside. Princess Rock trying to get closer on the outside and still improving. Now they are all after Princess Rock by about 2 lengths, and finally Princess Rock close for second. Between Prince Isaiah and Bringer Up Rain, then comes Conquistador and number 5 Blue Material.